again, good morning. I'm your teacher, Tirso Pilasam ng Luna National High School for Ismao Grade 12 slideshow. Our lesson for today is all about weld carbon steel plates in vertical position. We have here the codes TLE IA 9-12FW-IA-IIJ then 3. We also have the materials and equipment. We have the welding machine, portable grinder, electrodes or welding rods, and a set of personal protective equipment. Okay, mga bata, alam na alam nyo mga to. Dahil nung kayo yung mga grade 11, ay pag-aralan nyo na to. Yan. Meron tayong 5x8 by 6 inches and 2 by 2 inches plates. Kung wala nyan, pwede tayong gumamit ng mga localized material gaya ng mga angle bar or whatever. Basta yung pwedeng ma-welding na bakal. Okay? So, we also have here the sizes of the plates. Okay? 12 cm. As you see in this slide, kikita nyo dyan, nakalagay dyan, 1/2 cm yung thick nya. Then, yung haba niya is 12 cm and that is 6 inches. Okay? Yan, meron tayong mga reference, gaya ng CBLM. Meron din tayong training regulation or TR na tawag naka-align sa TESDA. What is welding? But since I know that you are now already popular in welding and hope that you can still remember the steps before and after you use welding. Last year, if you remember, nagpagawa ako ng mga projects made of metals, gaya ng basketball ring, bolo, grab hoe, and box bracket. Mga yun ang pinagawa ko sa inyo. Then, I see that you are already follow the steps that you learn here in school, particularly in using personal protective equipment. Okay? Now again, we see each other in the way of online learning. And you can read all the facts about welding in the module that we distribute. Okay? But we lack something. But the heart of Luna National High School is too wide. Ang gagawin lang namin, o pag-isipan namin is kung paano namin kayo mabibigyan ng time or day in hands-on or actual meet, particularly in welding. Siguro that is by scheduling, if they approve it. Okay? Now, we go to our lesson. Who among you here can still remember what is welding? Okay, sabayan nyo ako Okay, so what is welding? Welding is a fabrication process that joins materials, usually metals or thermoplastic, by using heat and melt. Sabi niya dyan, the parts together and allowing them to cool. Welding is an operation whereby two or more parts are united means of heat or pressure of both. It is used on metals. In the other term, welding is the process or is the joining of two metals in the process of heat. Okay? Yan ang welding. We have also the 5 essentials of welding. Okay? So essentials of welding. Welding is a practical skill that requires continual practice and careful attention to the variables that the welders controls to improve. The golden rules, natin yan, the golden rules, practice makes perfect. So, diba? Kung lagi kang nagpa-practice, magkakaroon ka ng time na ma-perfect mo. Okay? But nakasulat dyan sa golden rule. Applies to welding in that the more you do, as long or someone evaluates your welds. Kung meron daw nag-evaluate, nagbabantay sa'yo, nagmamasid sa'yo, you can meet the improvement of your task. Okay? Next is Then our 5 essential variables in SMAW, that is stick welding. Number 1 is current setting. So current setting, kailangan na malaman ng isang mag-aaral ang kuryente ay delikado. Hindi man tayo mamatay sa COVID, ngunit kung wala tayong pag-iingat sa kuryente din tayo mamamatay. Okay? So yan. Meron tayo yan. Picture ng kung paano mag-adjust ng welding current. Okay? Saka yung welding current, na ibabase yan sa kapal ng bakal at saka sa electrodes o welding rods. Ayan. Amperage is set from the recommended range according to the size of electrodes. Sabi ko na, types of electrodes and type of current, alternating current, AC, direct current, DC, direct current reverse polarity, DCRP, and direct current straight polarity, DCSP to be used. Okay? Yan. Next is a size ng electrodes, type of electrodes, and their amperage. So, dito makikita nyo. Kapag 332, yung maliit, ang kuryente niya is 60 to 90. Yan yung 6010 and 6011 na electrode yan. Kapag 7018 naman, meron siyang 70 to 100 current amperage. Okay? Then, kapag 1/8 yung diameter or core metal ng welding rod, meron siyang 90 to 120 amperage at meron din sa 7018, meron din siyang 120 to 160. Okay, naunawaan nyo? Pagdating naman sa 532, ito yung pinakamalaki na welding rod. Meron siyang 110 at 170. 110 from 110 to 170 ang amperage niya, depende sa kapal ng bakal na kanyang weldingin. And 130 to 170 naman ang 7018. Ayan. Some electrodes are designed to work best on a given current and polarity. Ano ngayon? Meron ba kayong naunawaan sa mga topic natin? Kung meron kayong hindi naunawaan, just comment below or send to my messenger. Okay? Or in our group chat. Okay? Let's continue. Ayan. Pangalawa is length of arc. Kailangan din natin ng length of arc. That is, the arc is the term used to describe the distance from the tip of the electrode from base metal to and can be varied from lightly touching the metal at an angle sufficient. Okay? Yan natin. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin dito, class, dapat yung point niya na yun is 1/8 distance. Ito, wala nang 1/8 yan. At ito, mas lalong malayo. Kung malayo kasi yung tip ng electrode sa base metal, magkakaroon siya ng maraming porosities at yung slag inclusion. Maging din dito, marumi kasi ang paligid niya pag ganyan. Pero pag talagang perfect mo yung 1/8 distance, maganda yung beads ng molten metals at wala siyang masyadong porosity at wala siyang gaseous impact. Higit sa lahat, hindi siya magkakaroon ng slag inclusion at saka crack. Okay? Next is, ayan, angle of electrode. So in SMAW process, two electrodes angles that the welder must have to control. So meron dapat makokontrol niya. Ayan, angle of electrode. So, ito yung electrodes. Kailangan, habang hinahatak niya yung electrode, yung 30 to 40 degrees, yung angle niya naman na 60 to 70 degrees, patulak na ganyan, ay kailangan maintain niya rin yan. Kasi pag hinati mo yan is parehas na 90 degrees and kabuuan niya is 180 degrees. Ayan, speed travel. Kailangan din sa isang welder ang malaman kung gaano kabilis ang paghatak sa welding rod habang ito'y sinasagawa ang kanyang trabaho o kanyang task. Ayan. Kita nyo? Yan yung mga welding beads in flat position. Magaganda yung kanya, beads niya. Half moon. In flat and vertical position, ito yung flat, ito yung vertical position. Ayan siya. Okay, number 5 is selection of electrodes. So, there are variety of electrodes available for welding a wide range of metals. The electrode for a given application must be selected. So, dapat tayong mga welder o nag-aaral ng welding, kailangan marunong tayo o matuto tayong mag-select ng mga welding rod. Gaya na may pang welding rod, pang tubo, pang bakal, at pang aluminum, at pang pundido. Mga yan. Meron mga yan. Kapag ang kukunin mo is weldingin mo is tubo, ang gagamitin mo dapat is 332 na 60-13, yung malilit yon. Para sa ganon, hindi masyadong masunog yung tubo at hindi siya magkakaroon ng butas-butas o spotted hole na sinasabi, o kaya hindi siya magkakaroon ng slag inclusion. Okay? Ayan. Characteristics and commonly uses of electrodes. Ayan na. Nandyan lahat. Electrodes are classified by a letter and numbering system as follows. So, kikita nyo dyan, yung letter E, number of electrodes, and yung second number na makikita nyo sa electrode is tensile strength in the coated points per square inch. And yung pang-third welding position, o andyan niya, makikita mo all position, horizontal and flat, and vertical downward. Yung pang-apat, flux type, types of current, electrode characteristics. Mga yan. Okay, next is, yan, self-check 1.1-1. Okay, so, essential variables of small stick welding, ayan na. So, makikita nyo yan. Yung mga sagot nyo, ilalagay nyo na lang o isesend nyo na lang sa messenger ko. Ayan. Actually, nandun naman sa learning activity sheet nyo to na ibinibigay sa inyo. Okay, yan. Essentials of welding. Yan yung pinaka-assignment nyo. Gagawin nyo sa inyong bahay, sa inyong tahanan. Research about the principles of essentials of welding, international welding codes and standards, and acceptable weld profiles. Kung natapos nyo na mga yan, pagkatapos nyo yan, isesend nyo sa akin through messenger or yung mga walang cellphone naman o walang net, ilalagay nyo sa extra paper, ilagay nyo dun sa learning activity sheet or module nyo na ibinibigay namin sa inyo. Then dun makikita ko, i-check ko na lang. Okay? Yan na. Maraming salamat.